This is what it look like when I am waking up in the morning in my bed at the MGM Grand in the tower, 1-bedroom suite. Look at that, the sun is coming up. I want to show y'all that. We're gonna sit here a little bit and watch the sun come up a little bit. Because I had let the shade up. It was trying to use the thing over there because it moves these two, and you gotta try to get this one up and try to keep that one down and stuff. So let's see a little bit of the sun come up. Sunrise. I should have gotten up a little bit earlier, but maybe I'll do it tomorrow if a better sunrise come up. What is it to do during the week, during the day? I'm going to check out Top Golf, and I might try to get a haircut and go through the malls because I'm going to gamble during the day. I think me and my mom do that, but this time I'm going to try something different. First, find me a McDonald's that's close by to eat this morning because there is no McDonald's close by. I didn't really walk all the way back down to Planet Hollywood to get something to eat. Some good breakfast. Oh, my computer sleeps with me in my bed and stuff. So, yeah.